Okay, students, good morning to all. Today we discuss indefinite integration class 2 students, very important problems. Integral of x square plus cos square x by 1 plus x square into cosecant square x. Students, in denominator 1 plus x square, numerator only x square. So in denominator 1 plus x square, so numerator also 1 plus x square. Students, in denominator 1 plus x square. Students, numerator plus 1 plus x square, adding and subtracting 1 plus x square plus 1 minus 1 plus cos square x by 1 plus x square into cosecant square x into dx. Students, 1 plus x square, taking minus common, 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus x square into cosecant square x into cosecant square x. So integral of 1 plus x square minus 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x by 1 plus x square into cosecant square x dx. Okay, students. Next, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square into cosecant square x. Next, students, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square, students, minus sin square x by 1 plus x square into cosecant square x, students, into cosecant square x dx. So 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancelled, students. Students, 1 into cosecant square x minus students, next integral of 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus sin square x by 1 plus x square into cosecant square x dx. Into cosecant square x dx. Friends, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancelled. 1 into cosecant square x minus, friends, sin square x into cosecant square x. So cosecant square x is equal to 1 by sin square x. So sin square x get cancelled. 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Friends, sin square x, cosecant square x. So cosecant square x is equal to 1 by sin square x. So sin square x get cancelled, students. So integral of cosecant square x dx, integration minus cot x minus 1 by 1 plus x square integration tan inverse x. Okay, so next problem, integral of secant square x into cosecant square x dx, students. So in first year, UV formula uv dash derivative uv dash plus vu dash. Students, here product of integral of f of x into g of x. Students, present then one apply challenge, students. So integral of secant square x into cosecant square x. Secant square x is equal to 1 by cos square x. Cosecant square x is equal to 1 by sin square x. Students, in denominator cos square x into sin square x. Denominator cos square x into sin square x. Students, numerator 1. In denominator cos square x into sin square x. In place of 1, students, in place of 1, cos square x plus sin square x. Cos square x plus sin square x. Friends, in place of 1, cos square x plus sin square x. Friends, next step, integral of next cos square x by cos square x into sin square x plus sin square x by cos square x into sin square x dx. Friends, cos square x by cos square x into sin square x plus sin square x by cos square x into sin square x. So cos square x, here sin square x get cancelled. 1 by sin square x is equal to cosecant square x. 1 by cos square is equal to secant square x. So integral of cosecant square x formula minus cot x, integral of secant square x formula tan x. Friends, screenshot. Friends, integral of 1 by 1 plus sin x or 1 by 1 minus sin x or 1 by 1 plus cos x or 1 by 1 minus cos x. In this model, rationalize, friends. Rationalize. 1 by 1 plus sin x. 1 by 1 plus sin x. So, rationalize denominator. 1 by 1 plus sin x. Friends, 1 plus sin x. So, multiply and dividing by 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x dx. 1 into 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x by in denominator a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So that is equal integral of 1 minus sin x by 1 square is equal 1. 1 minus sin square x is equal cos square x. And this can be written as 1 by cos square x minus sin x by cos square x. Sin x by cos square x. Friends, 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is equal to, students, 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x minus, students, sin x by cos square x, students. Sin x by cos square x. Sin x by cos square x is equal to cos x into cos x, students. Sin x by cos square x is equal to cos x into cos x. Sin x by cos x, tan x. 1 by cos x is equal to secant x. So secant x tan x. So integral of secant square x formula tan x minus integral of secant x tan x is equal to formula secant x. So tan x minus secant x. Next one, integral of tan inverse of root 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. Integral of tan inverse of root of, students, 1 minus cos 2x. In trigonometry, 1 minus cos 2x is equal to formula 2 sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x is equal to formula 2 cos square x. Friends, here 2 to get cancelled. So tan inverse of root of sin square x by cos square x is equal to tan square x. Sin square x by cos square x is equal to tan square x. So integral of tan inverse of root tan square x is equal to tan x. Friends, in inverse trigonometry functions, tan inverse of tan x is equal to x. This is x. So x dx. What is integration x dx? So integral of x power n dx. X power n plus 1 by 1 plus 1. X square by 2. X power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So next problem. Integral of secant x by secant x plus tan x. Secant x by secant x plus tan x. Students, in this problem, secant x is equal to 1 by cos x, secant x 1 by cos x, tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. This is first model. Students, secant x 1 by cos, this is 1 by cos, then sin by cos. First model. Or second model, so in denominator secant x plus tan x, secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Students, multiplying and dividing by secant x minus tan x by secant x plus tan x into secant x minus tan x. Friends, secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So multiply and dividing by secant x minus tan x. In numerator, secant x into secant x, secant square x minus secant x into tan x by denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Student, that is equal to, students, this value is 1. So integral of secant square x minus secant x into tan x. So integral of secant square x formula tan x. So secant x tan x integration secant x. Tan x minus secant x. Next one, integral of secant x plus tan x whole square. Integral of secant x plus tan x whole square. Students, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x. Students, integral of secant square x tan x, but integral of tan square x. Students, secant square x is equal to tan x, but here tan square x. Students, tan square x, integral of tan square x, no formula students, integral of tan square x. So secant square x plus tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1 plus 2 secant x into tan x. So tan square x have no integral students. So secant tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. So secant square x plus secant square x 2 secant square x minus 1 plus 2 secant x into tan x. Here two constant students, 2 into integral of secant square x tan x minus 1 dx integration of 1 x plus 2 secant x tan x integral of secant x tan x secant x 2 secant x. So taking 2 common, tan x minus secant x minus x plus c. Next one, integral of 1 minus cos x into cosecant square x dx. Students, 1 minus cos x into, so cosecant square x is equal, students, 1 into cosecant square x minus cos x into cosecant square x dx. So integral of cosecant square x minus cot x, students, minus cos x by cosecant square x is equal by sin square x. So integral of cosecant square x minus, students, by sin square x. Cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. Here by sin square x. Cos x by sin x cot x. Here into 1 by sin square x. 1 by sin x cosecant x. Cos x by sin x cot x into 1 by sin x cosecant x. So cosecant square x is equal to minus cot x. So integral of cosecant x into cot x minus cosecant x. So here minus already minus. So minus into minus plus cosecant x. So it's integral of cosecant x cot x minus cosecant x. So minus into minus plus cosecant x. Integral of tan x by secant x plus tan x dx. Integral of tan x by secant x plus tan x. Students, secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Students, multiplying and dividing by secant x minus tan x by secant x plus tan x into secant x minus tan x. Friends, numerator tan x into secant x or secant x into tan x minus tan x into tan x tan square x by, in denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So integral of secant x into tan x minus, so integral of tan square x, friends, integral of tan square x. So tan square x have no integral. So convert this tan square x, convert as tan square x. So tan square x is equal formula secant square x minus 1 by secant square x minus tan square x is equal 1. Friends, that is equal to integral of secant x tan x minus secant square x. So minus into minus plus 1. So minus into minus plus 1. So integral of secant x tan x formula secant x minus integral of secant square x is equal to tan x plus 1 dx students 1 dx is equal to x. So secant x tan x integration secant x minus secant square x tan x 1 dx is equal to x. Next, if integral of 1 by x plus x power 5 dx is equal to f of x plus c, then evaluate integral of x power 4 by x plus x power 5 dx is equal to, so integral of x power 4 by x plus x power 5. Students, given integral of 1 by x plus x power 5 dx is equal to f of x plus c. Students, adding and subtracting 1 plus 1 minus 1. Students, dx is equal to, so x power 4 plus 1 by x plus x power 5. This can be written as x power 4 plus 1 by x plus x power 5 minus 1 by x plus x power 5 dx. Friends, x power 4 plus 1 by, I am taking x common, 1 plus x power 4 dx. Friends, minus 1 by x plus x power 5 dx. Minus 1 by x plus x power 5 dx. So 1 plus x power 4, 1 plus x power 4 get cancelled. 1 by x dx. So 1 by x integration log mod x. Friends, 1 by x plus x power 5 dx. Integral of 1 by x plus x power 5 dx is equal to f of x plus c. So minus c, minus f plus c, that is constants. Minus f of x plus c. Friend, minus of f of x plus minus f of x minus c. That is constant minus r plus c. Next problem, integral of x cube plus 8 into x minus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 4. Friends, x cube plus 8 is equal to cube into x minus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 4 dx. Friends, a cube plus b cube is equal formula a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Friends, so x cube plus 2 cube is equal to a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. That is equal to integral of a plus b x plus 2 into a square x square minus ab. Students, a is equal to x, b is equal to minus 2x, a square minus ab plus b square plus 2 square into x minus 1 by, in denominator x square minus 2x plus 4. Students, this is x square minus 2x plus 4. This is x square minus 2x plus 4. Get cancel. Students, x plus 2 into x minus 1. X square, x into minus 1 minus x plus 2 into x plus 2x minus 2 dx. So integral of x square minus x plus 2x is equal to plus x minus 2 dx. Minus 2 dx. Students, integral of x square is equal to, students, integral of x square. Friends, integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power 2 plus 1 by 3, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, x power 1, x power 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. Friends, minus 2 into 1 dx, 1 dx is equal to x. Two constants, friends, 2 into 1 dx is equal to x. So next problem, integral of sine cube x plus cos cube x by sine square x into cos square x dx. Friends, sine cube x by sine square x into cos square x plus cos cube x by sine square x into cos square x. Friends, here sine square x get cancelled, here cos square x get cancelled. Here sin x sin x by cos square x, cos x into cos x, plus here cos x, here sin square x, cos x by sin square x is equal to sin x into sin x, sin x by cos x tan x, 1 by cos x secant x, plus cos x by sin x cot x, 1 by sin x cosecant x, integral of secant x tan x secant x, plus integral of cosecant x cot x is equal to minus cosecant x. So next for integral of tan inverse of, so integral of tan inverse of secant x plus tan x. So inverse trigonometry functions. So tan inverse of tan x is equal to x. Students, convert this value into tan. So what is the value of secant x plus tan x, students? Secant x plus tan x. Secant x is equal to 1 by cos x. Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. So that is equal to LCM is cos x. Here 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x. Friends, cos x is equal to cos x written as cos x can be written as sin 90 plus x, students. 90 plus x 90. So 90 sin becomes cos, 90 plus theta sin, second quadrant sin positive. So in numerator, students, 1 plus sin x is 1 minus cos 90 plus x, students. 90 plus x 90 in second quadrant cos negative minus, so already minus into minus plus 90 cos sin. Students, 1 minus cos 90 plus x, sin x can be written as cos 90 plus x, cos x written as sin 90 plus x. Students, 1 minus cos theta formula, 1 minus cos theta is equal formula 2 sin square theta by 2. Students, 1 minus cos theta is equal formula 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is equal formula 2 sin square theta by 2. This is theta. Theta by 2, 90 by 2, 45 plus x by 2 by sin theta is equal formula 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Friends, sin theta is equal 2 sin theta by 2. So by 2, 45 plus x by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 45 plus x by 2. Friends, sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Sin get cancelled. Sin by cos is equal to tan 45 plus x by 2. Okay, so integral of tan inverse of secant x plus tan x. So integral of tan inverse of secant x plus tan x is equal to tan 45 plus x by 2. So tan inverse of tan x is equal to x. 45 plus x by 2 dx. So 45 means pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 into x dx. Friends, integration pi by 4 constant, pi by 4 into 1 dx, x, pi by 4 into x plus 1 by 2 into, x by 2. So 1 by 2 into integral of x is equal to x square by 2. So pi x by 4 plus x square by 4 plus pi x by 4 plus x square by 4.